Hello and hi everyone. A very warm welcome to today's podcast, and I'm delighted to have with us the principal of Sri Venkateshwara English Medium School, Kalam, Walchandnagar. A very warm welcome, ma'am. A school that has been shaping young minds with dedication, values, and excellence. Today we will take you through the journey of school, its legacy, infrastructure, achievements, functions, future vision, and how it is preparing for students. The first question for you, ma'am. To begin with, can you tell us about the journey of Sri Venkateshwara English Medium School?
Sure. As you have entered here today, how you feel?
I felt great walking through the greens.
So this is the rural area where we have established this school for rural area development of students. Means here parents, those who want to give some good education to their child. So here we have provided that. Our management actually they feels that good education is required for each and every child, and each and every child deserve it, not only from that urban areas, even from rural areas also. So in the vision of that, they have started this empire. Here from school till the end education, we could speak that PhD, we are offering the education.
Okay, that's very nice. So I would like to tell parents here, this school, Sri Venkateshwara English Medium School, is preparing the students not only for the present, but it's for more of innovation and also AI based learning.
Yes.
So that's a very nice thing to have it in the rural area. So regarding this question, I would like to ask you, what is the core philosophy? तुमच्या स्कूलची जी philosophy आहे ती काय आहे?
Actually, we feel that education should be child-centric.
Okay.
Nowadays, that concept is becoming too higher, but from long back, we have started that here. Means each and every child has some qualities, and actually that school should find that.
Okay.
And actually, school is the right place where that qualities could be found.
Everything begins with the school.
With the school.
Right.
And each and every person, many a times further education they never accept, but schooling each and every child, each and every person has expected from the long back. So schools has to start from that.
Very nice.
And
that is a very nice thought which ma'am gave, I guess. कारण हे parents ला समजणं खूप गरजेचं आहे की everything starts with the home as well as with the school. So giving the right education, right तुम्हाला infrastructure, that starts right from the school. So thank you, ma'am, for this question. Next, I would like to ask is about the infrastructure. How does the school environment support effective learning with the help of infrastructure?
Here you have seen that, means nearby 20 acre area we have utilized for that.
Yes, it's quite big.
Our ground is in nearby 3 acre areas.
Wow.
There we are offering that kids gym also it is there.
Okay.
Sports activities we are giving with academics actually. We are having good academics results also, but I am focusing on other activities which we are giving.
Yes.
Wrestling is there. Karate coach we are having, so many whatever skills, and our students whatever they are having qualities in them, so that we are trying to develop.
That's nice. That's nice. So with the skills provided by the school, but next question will be, what facilities have you been providing for the students who are learning here?
As you said, that means AI, robotics, that nowadays whatever craze is there, with that coding we are teaching to students.
Very nice.
From the class of first standard.
Okay.
Means if we are telling them to write A, so instead of A, some signs we are giving.
Oh.
So they are writing their names in with that coding, and they are recognizing that.
That is amazing. This is the first thing I've heard, I
Yes.
guess. या रुरल भागामध्ये ह्या स्कूलमध्ये हे असं काही असू शकतं, हे पॅरेंट्ससाठी खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे. दॅट्स रिअली व्हेरी नाईस. ओके, सो मूव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स, व्हॉट आर द प्राऊड अचीवमेंट्स यू वुड लाईक टू मेन्शन हिअर ऑन द पॉडकास्ट?
Actually, from here, means people feels that from rural area students, English medium school, what the students has done. But our students, one of the student he has got admission in IIT Kharagpur. One of the student he is representing India. Mathematical formulas they are developing, at England, so he is there, and one is in Merchant Navy, and he is at USA. So, and like that, so many are there. Actually, once we are planning for that alumni meet.
Okay.
So I'll make sure that I will call you that time also.
That's really nice, ma'am. So here I would like to mention to the parents that ki whatever you expect from the higher school which are in the cities. So usually तुम्ही मुलांना cities मध्ये पाठवता higher education साठी, पण this school has brought the facilities to you over here in this rural area. So that's a big thing. Okay, moving forward, ma'am, how does the school ensure overall development and not just academics? Little bit more mention I would like to ask, because you already told me a little, but can you want to explain little bit more?
Yes, actually here as you have seen, a whole empire is there, and so many units we are working together.
Okay.
And as we are dealing with rural area, so our transportation facilities are same, means from 9 to 4 all students are here from the school till the colleges.
Okay.
So in between that our school students get the more time. How our schools means other schools they work still 9 periods, 8 periods, like that.
Yes,
but here we are working for 10 periods.
Okay.
So child should not feel that it's too lengthy, and it should not get bored, and so many competitive exams also we takes. So in between that we are giving 1 full hour for ground activities. Every day each and every child get the full 1 hour before going for ground activities. So many ground activities are, means team events are there, individual events are there.
Okay.
Means whatever they want in running.
So you are also focusing on the holistic
Yes,
development
and
of the
NIS
child.
coaches are here.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
so
very nice.
our students are getting time, enough time for that ground activities. With that, music, means so many music instruments we are having afterwards. I will show you that.
Okay.
And with that we are having karate coach. Our own karate coach is there.
Okay.
So our students are having good means result in that also.
Okay.
Our team events, our students has achieved till state levels. They have got the prizes and all.
That's very nice. So I would like to say to all the parents who are listening to me right now, तुमच्या मुलांना तुम्हाला क्लासेससाठी बाहेर पाठवायची गरज नाहीये. यू डोंट हॅव टू एनरोल देम इन डिफरंट कराटे क्लास, यू डोंट हॅव टू एनरोल देम इन द डिफरंट म्युझिक क्लास. व्हॉट यू गेट ऑल इज हिअर ॲट वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन, अँड दॅट इज श्री व्यंकटेश्वरा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल. दॅट्स रिअली नाईस, मॅम.
In addition that, I want to tell you that wrestling also we are having here.
Okay.
As our president is one times wrestler, good wrestler he was.
Okay.
So now we have appointed one wrestler here.
Okay.
So in between our school time only we are having one separate period for that.
Okay.
So those who are interested in wrestling, we are giving special coaching for them only.
I think it is one of the most important point which you have covered, because मुलांचं health wise लक्ष देणं आणि having that awareness to be healthy, to remain healthy. आणि wrestling म्हटलं तर हे जास्ती आपलं rural साईडला जास्ती आहे, आणि getting that into the school is really a big thing. So that's nice, ma'am. So we spoke about the futuristic plans right now. Next question will be, AI is becoming more important part of everything.
Yes.
Right? So how are you planning to get that in the curriculum or the academics as well?
Again, I am coming on the same point, as I told that so many units are here. So in that polytechnic and our degree department is also there. Engineering degree department.
Okay.
So that electrician department, whatever it is there, so they helps us in this.
Okay.
With our teachers, our means IT teacher is there.
Okay.
But with her we are getting that proper coaching from their faculties also.
Acha.
So here we are just now summer camp was there. So in the addition of that, our students prepared one robot also. One drone also they have prepared here.
Wow.
AI coding also they have done here. And with that means wherever we require some skill development, so our ITI department is also there. So from standard 5th we are introducing them engineering drawing.
Okay.
So with that we are having some till standard 10th they get that proper base of engineering, civil engineering and all. So that also as per NEP 2020 it is introduced. Other schools they might have problem with infrastructures, but here we are having everything here, so that benefit we get here.
Yes, that's really very nice. So coming to the section of teeny tiny tots, so what
Yes.
is the special about the nursery and the primary section of the school?
Actually, that is the base as well as backbone of the each and every
Yes, it is.
schools. Here we are having students from 3 years, means nursery. Playgroup we don't have started yet here because as rural area here, so they don't trust from 2 or 2.5 years child, they don't want to send.
Yes.
But from 3 years students are coming here. There also we are giving them hands-on learning at means from soil.
Right.
Each
So
and
which will
everything they
help-
experience. Yes.
Correct, which will help
हाँ.
them develop the fine motor skills.
Yes, yes.
आजकालच्या पॅरेंट्सला वाटतं की आमच्या मुलांनी लगेच पेन हातात धरला
हाँ, no, not
but
at
that
all.
is not the thing. They
No.
should learn with the fine motor skills, which is
Yes.
very important for the
हाँ.
child's development. That's nice. So coming to the section, what is your message you would like to give to the parents who are listening to us right now?
I just want to tell them that one thing, don't focus only on academics.
Yes.
Skills are much important nowadays, and if we are discussing about the AI, there will be replacement of humans also where they are in case of technique. But when you are the skillful person, no one will be replace you. Not even technology will replace you.
Exactly.
So each and every parent just have to take one note of that which skill their child is having, and if they are having one place to narrate it, so they should take that chance. In schooling till the 8th standard, give that child each and every field to choice, each and every field to experience, and we are there to give that. Let it experience, let that child face situations, and then let it find that whatever qualities he or she has.
That is amazing.
Also, I want to add one more thing, ma'am. From standard 5th, we have introduced a foundation course. Means Bansal Kota, from Kota Bansal we are having faculties. So they are giving advanced knowledge of science and maths to our students.
Okay.
And we are getting good results of that in Olympiad exams.
Okay.
So from standard 5th they are getting that facilities till 12th.
That is
So we are preparing them for JEE, NEET, IIT also here.
That is amazing. So parents, तुम्हाला तुमच्या स्टुडंट्सला कोटाला पाठवायची गरज नाहीये. They have it right here with us at Shri Venkateshwara English Medium School, and that is one of the best amazing thing the school has provided. So that is amazing. This is one-stop destination again. So thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts, ma'am. Shri Venkateshwara English Medium School truly stands a place where tradition meets innovation and where every child is nurtured to succeed. So to all the parents listening out, the school that believes in strong values, quality education, modern learning, a bright future for every learner. So thank you for tuning in, and we look forward for more inspiring conversation.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please visit the YouTube channel Fartare Knowledge City. Do subscribe, like and share, and keep visiting this Fartare Knowledge City for more inspiring videos and for more knowledge as well. Thank you.